Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Red color A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Red color E for eagle. E for eagle. Red color I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Red color M for moon. M for moon. Red color Q for queen. Q for queen. Red color U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Red color X for Xmas trees. X for Xmas trees. Green color B for ball. B for ball. Green color F for frog. F for frog. Green color J for joker. J for joker. Green color N for nest. N for nest. Green color R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Green color V for van. V for van. Green color Y for yak. Y for yak. Yellow color C for cake. C for cake. Yellow color G for girl. G for girl. Yellow color K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color O for octopus. O for octopus. Yellow color S for shoes. S for shoes. Yellow color Z for zero. Z for zero. Blue color D for doll. D for doll. Blue color H for house. H for house. Blue color L for lemon. L for lemon. Blue color P for parrot. P for parrot. Blue color T for table. T for table. Blue color W for watermelon. W for watermelon. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe my channel.